How to create an account in the Binance app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account in the Binance app. First, open the Binance application on your mobile device. Here, you will need to specify whether you are new to crypto or a crypto pro. Next, enter your email or phone number, or you can continue with your Google account. After that, enter your email and tap on Next. You will then receive a code sent to your email address. Enter this code to proceed. Now choose whether you want to create a new Binance account or link an existing one. Select the appropriate option and tap on Next. Finally, once you complete these steps, your Binance account will be created. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next.